In this quick guide, you'll learn how to remove Jotform branding from your forms. Whether you're looking to create a more professional appearance or simply want to personalize your form experience in months, removing branding is a straightforward process. Let's dive into it. First, head over to jotform.com. This is where the journey begins. Open up your preferred web browser and type in jotform.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with the familiar Jotform homepage. If you're not logged in, go ahead and do that first. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing. The profile icon is your gateway to accessing various account settings and preferences. It's a small step, but it's crucial for the branding removal process. With the drop-down menu open, the next step is to click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your account. The Settings page is where you'll find the tools you need to customize your Jotform experience. Now, scroll down through the settings options until you come across Jotform branding. This section is typically located toward the bottom of the page, so keep scrolling until you find it. The branding section is where you can control the display of Jotform's branding on your forms. Here's the key part. To remove the Powered by Jotform message from your forms, you need to have an upgraded account. Jotform offers several plans with different features, and removing branding is a premium feature. If you haven't upgraded your account yet, you'll need to do so to access this option. Consider which plan best suits your needs and follow the prompts to upgrade. Once your account is upgraded, you'll have the option to enable or disable the Powered by Jotform branding. Simply toggle the option to your preference. If you want a clean, unbranded form, ensure this option is disabled. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the steps to remove Jotform branding from your forms. By following these instructions, you can ensure your forms are tailored precisely to your needs without any unwanted branding. If you encounter any issues along the way, Jotform support team is always there to help. Just reach out to them for assistance. This small change can make a big difference in how your forms are perceived by users, giving your work a more polished and professional look. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your Jotform experience. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy form building!